Introducing the luxurious 2021 Skoda Kodiaq 7S Style 2.0 TDI with 150 horsepower DSG. This sleek 5-door estate Jeep in grey stands out with its 2-litre diesel engine and automatic transmission, packed with comfort and safety features like air conditioning, cruise control, multiple airbags, and collision avoidance braking. The interior boasts luxury trim, third-row seats, and ambient lighting. It also includes chrome accents, privacy glass, and roof rails for added style and security. With a full multi-point health check, comprehensive warranty, and servicing to manufacturer specs, this Skoda Kodiaq is ready for you. Call us or visit spiritskoda.ie for more information today.